Stuck with the Magnification Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Don't let Magnification Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Magnification Library, the Windows Magnification API library. It provides localized routines for the Magnifier accessibility tool. It manages localized hardware-accelerated screen zoom effects and localized cursor tracking for users with visual impairments. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Magnification Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Magnification Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Magnification Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Magnification Library. If you've regained access to Magnification Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.